Hey, I'm live after so long. Hello everyone, welcome back to my stream. Today we are gonna solve some Go exercises like you have read in the title. I've been learning Go since not a long time, but since last week, and I managed to do a lot of Go. But since last 2 days, I could not get time to do any golang. So today we are jumping into solving exercises of 1 to n. But before that, I just wanted you guys to show you this Ossium.live. It's a very good platform, like if anybody is wanting to get into open source, it's a very good platform. They can just head over to Ossium and search for bounties or like their top organizations where you can contribute. It also features GSOC organizations. So these are all the like organizations which are very active in open source community. This guy is promoting his own project. I think it's his own. Yeah, I think it's of somebody else's. So yeah, the guy who created OCM is Manish. Yeah, it's his own product. Yeah, okay. Anyways, let's head to solving some Go questions. Try these project exercises for learning Go. These increase in term of complexity. First, read Go Bootcamp. Where is Go Bootcamp? A new tab, bruh. Oh my god. I think I read it already. Basically, if you are excited to join 1-2N, this page is for you. The intention of this page is to let you know how and why we do what we do. 1-2N is a startup in Pune, by the way. If you want to become a better Go engineer and generally a more pragmatic engineer, this bootcamp is for you. This is my value proposition to you, but you will have to study, read, and write a lot of code and documentation. If you're up for this, then read on. I hear, I forget, I see, I remember, I do, and I understand. Yeah, so let's start then. Tour of Go. Time to come to 2-3 days. Damn, that's a lot of time. What will you learn? Go basics, language syntax, and construct familiarity. How to evaluate your solution. Complete all sections of the tour of Go. Basics, methods, generics, and concurrency. Also look at specific sections of Golang programs. Golang is estimated to ensure you understand concepts such as functions versus methods, panic and recovery, complex data types and their behavior, arrays, slices, maps, structs, interfaces, and packages in Go. Create a public repo with your name and push all your local code changes for tour of Go in this repo. Okay, let's do that then. I've Go installed. So let's make a new folder for this. Just give me a second. By the way, you guys must be seeing this job on CLI, right? So yesterday I ran multiple sub agents and agents to get me a compiled list of open positions which I can apply to, like which the agent deems fit for me based on my resume, and it gave me around 63 job openings. And like my what do we call it? I wanted remote jobs only, so yeah. If I had to search other also, then it might have given more than 63. But yeah. So where were we doing Go now? I think I was doing it in cohort 3 only. Go. No, Go Tute. There's Go tutorial also. Oh, okay. What does Go Tute have? Oh, nothing. So I can use this. Maybe I'll just create. Put your name Golang learning. What is my name? My name is Hisukurifu. Oh, I just I'm using Grok for a while. Like I don't use Grok when I'm learning, so let it be. So yeah, there's also this Go program which I have vibe coded, basically not written. So what it does, there are some open source APIs, job APIs, which give you job openings. So I connected all these APIs to my main Go program, and it's a CLI based tool. This song is so bad. Just give me a second. I'll just press this. Oh, my bad. I just changed the whole playlist. I mean, this is also good. I'm playing Netflix because Netflix is no copyright. So what it does, it scans those APIs, it filters. Where is my filter? Yeah, config.ml. Here you can see the filters. It should include this and it should exclude this, and I just have to run it, and it fetches the job and gives the most relevant output. So these are the outputs of the Go tool, CLI tool, and this is the output of my agent. Not a new Windows Pro. Okay. I did 431, there it is. Perfecto. Already have Go, and at this point you should install Go locally and be able to run and debug Go programs locally in VS Code. Okay. Basic number filtering. Solve this problem and go write code and test cases too. Oh, I'll have to write test cases also. Time to complete 1 day, beginner. How to write unit test cases, how to design small functions for specific use cases, code reuse, ensuring even and odd function in stories 4, 5 and 6, using various functions in stories 7 and 8, how to compose multiple functions together, how to form a chain of functions, identify abstraction using higher order functions, function that accept or return functions, that is using functions as first class citizens. Okay, I mean I have done this already, but I don't remember it that well, so it's good that I'll get some hands on it. Understand Go's generics and whether and how these can be used to write generic methods that can operate on any type. I have done generics. Is a code following Go naming conventions for files, functions, variables, etc. Have you written? Oh, okay. Don't look at the solution unless you have to, otherwise you are not getting much value from the bootcamp. I know what I'm doing. Stop patronizing me if you say so. Here's the simple implementation. Oh, I don't wanna listen to I don't wanna look at the answers. One exercises. Okay. Main Go. At least I remember this much. So this is a basic number filtering exercise. Try to make the most of this exercise. Look at only one story at a time, complete it, and move on to the next story. Try to do test-driven development of this for this program if possible. Okay, if not TDD, at least write the test cases after writing the code. Input and expected outputs are given in much story. But how do I write test cases? Like, God, I'll have to search how to. Anyways, you know, the student teacher write a program to return only the even numbers from the list 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So punk only even. Yo. So it would take. Oh shit, man. I can write a for loop, or I can map. So which method should I approach first? Hmm. Okay, damn, bro. I'm forgetting everything. This is what happens when you use AI a lot. Let's start to remember. Uh, I'll go to my golang cohort. The word not variables and constant. Where is the list? Just a second. Hello. I had to go open the door. Anyways. So I can. How do we make a list in Go? How to make a list in Go? Do we have to like make slices? Slices. Oh. Okay. So it's just basic slice. No, where's Go? Where's the question? Seems like I need to study a lot, man. I'm forgetting every single thing, bro. That's very bad. That's very bad. Very, very bad. So if I be what is this where? So okay, I can use variable also, and I can directly define it. Just define them then. Number equals to make. I don't have to make them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has been used, but it has been declared but not used. Okay. So it would take a slice and do we define the variables first? Not the variable, the type first, then the variables? No. Okay. Perfecto. Its return type would be same. No. Just a second. At least some need to scratch my brain for this now. Okay, so its return type would also be an integer, like an array or a slice, and we will pass it to, let's pass it on the even, and it should be a number. This is fine. It should be, output should be this. Okay. Now I have number, and for how do we do ranges in this? For I comma number, no. I equals to number, no. Let's see. I equals to range A. Okay. That's it. So now what we'll do? We will. Oh, okay. We can create another. Let's even. So now I'm iterating over numbers. So if num divided by 2, actually if is not equals to 0, what is this? Mismatch types. Oh, okay. Perfect. So we should return nothing. We should return nothing, right? No. Equals to this. Then we should add this to the number. I'm so bad at coding, bro. This num I. And we don't need else statement for this, so let's do return. Let's see if this works or not. It's very badly written code, but okay, and it's very badly written code. How do we write list? How do we define a map and go? So where is slices? Where is maps? Oh, it's different map. It's not map. How do you map and go? No, not the key values app. Mm, oh wait, how do I map and go? Like JavaScript. Yeah. And go mapping means two entirely different things depending on what JavaScript feature you want to mimic. If you want to transform an array slice, like you must use standard for range loop for generics. If you want to, okay, so basically I'll just have to use a for range, and so there is no array map function in Go. Sorry, there's no built-in array map function in Go standards library. Okay. Those creators purposely left out functional methods like map, builder, and reduce to keep language simple, fast, and easy to read. However, depending on your Go version, you have excellent options. The standard Go way for loops. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is for only even. I'll write func only odd. So we are defining this list even for that function only. It's not, it's like private to that function only, not public to everybody else. And if it is not equal to 0, then it's an even one, then it's an odd one, my bad. So if I do this, even slice, okay, so odd slice is not working. What is wrong with odd slice? Oh, okay. Oh wait, I did on even, so and there you go. So how do we write test cases though? How to write test cases in Go? Oh yeah, I did learn about writing tests. You have to make I guess something underscore test. I don't remember it. Ah yes, you have to make. Okay, so add a test. That you have gotten your code to a stable place. Nicely done, by the way. Add a test. Testing your code during development can expose bugs that find their way in as you make changes. In this topic, you add a test for the hello function. This topic is a part of multi-part tutorial that begins with create a Go module. Okay. Built-in support for unit testing makes it easier to test as you go. Specifically, using naming convention, Go's testing package and the Go test command. You can quickly write and execute tests in the greeting directory. Create a file called greetings underscore test.go. So I can just create main underscore test.go. Ending a file's name with underscore test tells go test command that this file contains test functions. In greetings, paste the following code and save the file. So I'll have testing and reg expressions. I don't need that. Test hello name, the pointer testing, the name want. Bro, this is so complex. Message error hello queries. If not want dot match string message or error is not equals to t dot error hello ladies. Want match for bruh. Test hello empty cells greeting hello with an empty string checking for an error func test hello empty. Oh. So little simple testing is in here. So where is testing and go? Oh, somewhere here only. Functions, struct attaching methods, struct methods. Enum set. Okay, so it wasn't here. What the hell? Oh, okay. Where did I see tests then? I mean, I remember writing tests. I mean, I did not write it obviously because if I had, would remember how to write test cases. How to write test cases in Go. Writing tests in Go is straightforward and very idiomatic. Go has a built-in testing framework, no external libraries needed, unlike just in TypeScript. Test file must end with Go. Okay. So I have this addition file and its testing would be test add. We have to define a pointer only then. Okay. Result add 2,3. If result is not equals to 5, p dot error. Okay, I can do this then. Package main test what was it? Only odd or only even first. Will I have to make it? Make. I don't think so. I'll have to make it. Huh. How do we make then? It should end and then it should be like this one. No. How to make a slice using make? Where is the I can do this, but there is no make for slices. I think there was a make for slice. Yeah, there it is. But it initializes an empty slice. Okay, so I'll just I'll just copy that. Where is the so I have results variable which has been defined. Would store all the results And now I can do tests there. If result, I can directly, if result dot contain result, how do we say if result contains things? Hmm. I can do another range on it. I can do a simple how do you define a range? This is how you define a range only. Oh, it's if for I in range. If result I not equal to 2. That's not. Expected to be even, got odd. Okay, this song is so bad. Call has for printf formatting. Oh, it's TRF. How do we run it now? Ooh. Name AB expected positive numbers 2, 3, negative numbers 0, large numbers. Okay. Cannot run test files. How do we run test files? What the hell, bro? Go run test. Go test. Something like that. No. I'll just see how we run this then. How to run go test files? To go to it as any file anyway test. Okay. Test. Go mod file not found in the correct directory. Okay. Go mod init. Cannot determine model path with the source. Go mod init. 34. Learning. Nah. Go mod ID. Okay, so it is passing. Hey, do we have to like? Okay. So this is for test for even. Now let's test for odd. Okay, so I forgot I have to result even. Hmm. Result odd. I can just get this out of there. List number. Perfecto. Anyways, I'm gonna stop music for a while because this music is so boring. I'll just listen to some other music. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm. But this music is so loud, man. I'll just lower the volume a bit. Oh, it's fine. Okay, given a list of integers, write a program to return only the prime number from the rest. Ooh, this is gonna be complex. I mean, the guy, Matt did solve this prime number problem with ease. What did he do? I don't remember what he did. Uh, what did he do, bruh? Punk. Punk. Give prime? Nah. Only prime. Optimus prime. You know, I can just define an interface for this and I'll just, I mean, no, I can't. Still have to pass something. Given a list of integers, write a program to return only the odd prime numbers. Oh, wait. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are one which are divisible with by the which are only divisible by themselves and nobody else. Right. Right. Definition of prime numbers with only themselves and one. A prime number is a whole number greater than one that can only be divided evenly by one and itself. If a number can be divided by other whole numbers without leaving a remainder, it is called a composite number. So basically a number is only divisible by itself and nobody else. Oh wait, I can give me a list of 1, 200. Bro. Why is this so bad? I'll just copy this. Now let's see if the test cases run out. Fail. They pass. This would be better for testing the prime numbers. So what I need to do is write a for loop. First get the number which we have. So obviously we'll range it. So for list prime this one's so bad. Hmm. Am I writing very bad code? I don't know. I'll ask Grok later. So first we are in num. We have started iterating over num. So now if we do this, we will have our not this for Lamau. If we do this, then we'll have our first number in it. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. So what does I have? We are ranging through num, right? So I means that number only. And just give me a second, I'll just do this. If let's see if I get list even or not. I'm so dumb. So one thing. This thing is correct. This thing is wrong. So if I change it and then run it again, then it's correct. Okay. I'll have to see what actually is wrong. Okay. So it's 1 2 only. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. So now, if I did num I, I'll have the first number in the list. So if I have first number, how will I? Oh, I'll have to run another loop. For J, am I doing this correctly? Let me think. I'll first have I. For J, J is also num only. So I'll get one first here. And here also I'll just get one only. That's not a good thing, right? There's one here. Oh, I can do this though. Num I. Oh, my bad. Num I. Percentage. Num J. If num this equals to 0, I mean, it should have a counter, right? Which should like delete every time new instance is triggered. A zero as counter, and if number I is divisible by j, then we'll do count plus plus. Okay, count plus plus. So okay. Where we are checking for this number. So like if count is greater than 1, I think it should be greater than 2, right? Be greater than 2. Hmm. If it's greater than 2, then nothing. But if it's smaller than 2, undefined counter. Hmm. What is less than 2? Then we'll do this. List prime equals to append list prime num I. Okay, so where is the error coming from? Oh, okay, I'm not returning anything, right? And then we return our list of prime. Let's see if this thing works or not. If this works, then maybe I'm good. If this doesn't, then I seriously need to start solving DSA, bro, because I haven't solved any single DSA. Ah, okay. Let a program to return only the prime numbers. Prime numbers. Only prime. Let's see if this thing works or not. Yeah, there's only one as prime. That's not possible, bro. So let's see, where did I mess up? I think it should be less than 3, right? It should be greater than 8. Now it would work. Now I have all the prime numbers. Story 3, but we don't consider 1 as prime, right? So yo, what the hell? Not here. So if count or not the count, bro. Anyways, I can do that actually. Num I is not equals to 1. What the hell? Oh, it's or. It should be and. And there you go. 357. Oh my god, I'm doing DSA. I'm so bad at this, bro. It's fun now that I'm getting a hang of this. So it's good. The other story, which is give a list of integers, write a program to return only the odd prime numbers from the list. So what I can do is I can do this only odd. There you go. Now it would only return only. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that prints ln only odd prime numbers. Only odd and only prime and number. This should give us the answer. There you go. It took its sweet time for that though. So what is this? Given a list of integer, write a program to return only the even and multiple of 5 from the list. Only the even and multiple of 5 from this list. Okay. It's small modular functions, example odd, even, prime, etc. Check if a particular number is odd, even, and prime. These functions should take an input, take a single number and return a boolean. Oh, it's like that. The function should take a single number and then return the boolean, not the whole list. Oh, hmm. Amsterdam, Amsterdam, but it's fine, bro. You should go write test cases before you write the implement. Write test cases before implementing. Writing tests first will help you figure out function signature and edge cases, if any. Okay. Identify expected input and output for this program. How will you accept the inputs to the program? Example, via test or std out of file. Where will the program produce the output, std out file, etc. Start by creating separate functions for each of the test cases. Try to identify the common parts of the program, looping in input array, and if some set of conditions match, then add the number in the output array. Think how we'll abstract this into some common structure. Implement orchestration functions called all and any for story 7 and 8. Does Go have such functions in collections library already? If yes, what are those and how do those work? If no, can you write such functions using Go's generics? This is a function can work on any type, not just ints. 7 and 8. A set of conditions odd, even, greater than 5, multiple of 3, prime, and many more such custom conditions that may be dynamically defined by the user. Write a program, return only return only the integer from the given list. It matches all the conditions. Oh, conditions specified using a set of functions odd, greater than 5, multiple, 3, function even, less than 15, multiple of 3. Okay, so yeah, this is a bit, it's not that complex, but yeah, I mean, I'm doing this for the first time in Go, right? So I need to think about it for a good second. I'm getting some text. Just give me a second. Mhm. Mhm. Oh, I got an invitation from Nagaro. This program return only the odd prime numbers from the list. I don't have to write any program for this. Do I have to write any program for this? I can just do this, right? I can just do this instead of odd prime. I can just call even prime. And there you go. What the hell? Okay, I first filtered out the odd number and then I filtered out the even numbers. Of course, there would be an empty string, empty slice here. Why am I saying string? Only even numbers, so it should be only even. And this should be only prime. Now it would work. And only prime only has 2. What the hell? Something is not adding up. Only the prime numbers on the list, only the odd primes. Okay. Yeah, of course, it's the only even. Oh. Given list integer, write a program to return only the even and multiple of 5 from the list. I can just write a program for multiple of 5s. Function. Only, okay, multiple of 5, multiple of 5 num. It's function, not fun. Result. I just need to do this, bro. Why am I doing so much work? I can just do this. I'll just paste this here. Instead of this, I'll just and this should be divisible by 5. Multiple of 5, right? So yeah. I mean, this can also be converted into a generic function. So what is it? To list of integer, write a program to return only the even and multiples of 5 from the list. Okay. Only even and multiple of 5. Only even and then multiple of 5. And then it is, we'll be using the other numbers too, right? More numbers. Nope. Bada boom, bada beam. I got the answer. Anyways, give me a second. Yep. Given a list of integers, write a program to return only the odd and multiple of 3 greater than 10 from this list. Holy shit. I'll just get this one and I'll paste this here. No. 30 there. Haha. Almost all the exercises have been done. I just need to solve these two. It seems like I'll have to end the stream now. So yeah, later. Bye bye.